My name is Prendoyo, and my student ID is 270222284 and 0 and 2. Today, I will represent our group research proposal titled AI-based phishing creation prevention and AI-based defense. In this presentation, I will discuss the urgent problem of AI-driven phishing and introduce a new hybrid defense model that we propose to mitigate this threat. So this is the first slide. This is the title, and we're gonna enter the introduction slide. Phishing remains a domain cyber threat historical, relying on social engineering to manipulate victims into revealing confidential data. However, the landscape has shifted drastically with the advent of generative AI. Adversaries now utilize these technologies to mass product sophisticated tailored phishing campaigns that were previously impossible to scale. Consequently, cybersecurity arms race has emerged, necessitating the immediate adoption of AI-powered defense mechanism to counter these automated threats. So we're gonna next. The slide is literature review. Phishing is widely recognized as a ubiquitous cyber threat, resulting in substantial financial detriment to institutions and individuals alike. Lestrager characterizes and the phenomenon as a widespread fraudulent activity that uses identity impersonation to omit information from targets. In Lestrager 2014, the threat landscape has evolved with AI, which can now generate content that closely mimics the linguistic patterns of trusted contacts. Empirical studies highlight the efficacy of this approach. AI-engaged phishing campaigns demonstrate significantly higher click-through rates, 30 to 44%, compared to the traditional methods is 19 to 28%, at 2018. Furthermore, that the overwhelming volume of this automated attack risks causing user destabilization, thereby eroding human detection capabilities. So we're gonna next slide is research question and hypothesis. The research question 1: how effective are modern machine learning and deep learning models at classifying sophisticated AI-generated phishing emails? And the second question is, what are the most significant linguistic and structural features that can reliably distinguish the AI-generated attack from human-crafted one? And the hypothesis 1: a hybrid ML or DL architecture like our PhishGuard will achieve significantly higher accuracy and a better balance of precision recall in more or less in 98% compared to standalone LP or LLM models. And the second hypothesis, the future hypothesis, AI-generated emails will show unique detectable linguistic fingerprint, such as a lower texture entropy, more complex sentence structure, and a consistently professional tone that are different from human-written emails. So the methodology is, the first, we take a data collection. This study will utilize a compression dataset that will consist of two main parts: human-generated emails and AI-generated emails. And number two is exploratory data analysis. Before pre-processing exploratory data analysis, we will be performing using the Matplotlib and Seaborn. This step aims to understand the basic patterns and characteristic of the dataset. And number three is data processing. The raw email text data will be processed using a Python version 3 and 11. This phase involves several key step: data cleaning, feature extraction, linguistic analysis, and pre-processing. And number four is data splitting. Data will be divided into training and testing sets. 80% of the data will be used train the model, and the remaining 20% will be keep as you say test set for final evaluation. And number 5 is this phase involves phase training and experimenting with several classifiers. Classical machine learning, we will use the skip learning to implement basic models such as linguistic regression, SFM, and random forest. Deep learning, we use the TensorFlow and Keras to build and train neural network-based classifiers, specifically focusing on multi-layer perceptrons. And number 6 is model evaluation. In the final stage, our training model will be evaluated on using 20% test set. We will use a few metrics to perform and analyze. The result will be used to form strategic recommendation for a layer scattering framework. This is our thinking framework. So I'm gonna explain this. Okay, the first data collection, we start by gathering the data set. As you can see in this here, which combines both human crafted and AI generated phishing emails. The next is exploratory data analysis. Here we gonna analyze the data distribution to understand underlying the part before processing. Then data processing in here. This is a critical step. We apply label encoding to convert the text into machine readable format, and we use a smooth oversampling to address any class English issues, ensuring our model is net-based. So after data splitting into training and testing data, we move to the modeling. We will experiment with individual classifiers like MPLs and compare them with assemble techniques to find the best performance. Finally, in model evaluation, we consult by evaluating the metrics to determine the most effective detection models. And the next slide is expect outcomes. So our expects is number 1 is help understand how generative AI model phishing characteristic, and number 2 the L model outperform ML models to capture deeper pattern in AI generated text, and number 3 Moracle better ability to detect AI generated phishing, and number 4 higher precisions and lower chance of false positives. And number 5, all the spams and analytical filter are insufficient and need to be improved. And next slide is our timeline and research. In timeline, we taken the from 1 data collection, exploratory data analysis, data processing, and data splitting, modeling, and model evaluation. And the tools we using are emails, legitimate human phishing, AI phishing, and number 2 we using a Python 311, Pandas, and Matplotlib. And number 3 is we using a machine learning libraries, scikit-learn, TensorFlow, or Keras. And number 4 is an NLP libraries. We take an LTK SPACY. And number 5 we take a standard research workstation with GPU acceleration. And our consultation, the generative AI has accelerated the sophistication of phishing, making the able from legitimate communication in response this research-based modern ML and the algorithm to identify the most effective detection mechanism. By addressing these gaps, we contribute to more resilient cybersecurity posture, providing the need to build robust defense against floating AI-powered threats. So this is the end of our research proposal. Thank you.